At Orlebar Brown, we believe holidays are the very best time with family and friends. You create memories, expand the mind, relax the body, release the soul. We know to enjoy our products, we all contribute to climate change, from sourcing, manufacturing, to distribution and our operations. In 2018, we made a commitment to be a more sustainable company. To do so, we first measured our impact on the environment. Then we reduce in every way we can. This includes introducing more sustainable fabric bases into our products. By 2023, we aim to be using only 100% recycled materials. Finally, we balance our carbon output towards becoming a carbon negative company, a goal we will achieve by the end of 2021. We are partnering with SeaTrees to rebalance all carbon emitted through our business operations and product manufacturing. SeaTrees supports blue carbon projects, which sequester 5 to 10 times more CO2 per hectare than tropical rainforests. The projects regenerate coastal ecosystems by drawing carbon from the air, increasing biodiversity, creating jobs and sustainable communities. These are small but important first steps. We have more to learn and more to do. We are committed to being better, to holiday better.